How to overlay photos on iPhone iOS 17. In iOS 17, you can overlay photos on your iPhone using the built-in markup tool. First of all, you have to make a sticker of one photo and add it to the another photo. For that, simply open any photo that you want to overlay, then press hard on that object and simply select Add Sticker. Once this photo has been added to the sticker, go to the Photos app again and select the image you want to use as your background. Then, above that photo, use the sticker to overlay. In this way, you can overlay photos without using third-party apps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.